Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fix WhatsApp stuck on loading screen problem. Okay, don't worry, follow my all steps. Now first, open your phone setting. Scroll down, tap on apps, search WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp, tap on force stop, tap on OK, tap on storage, tap on clear cache, tap on only clear cache. Back on home screen, open Play Store app, search WhatsApp and update your WhatsApp. WhatsApp app is updated. Now tap on open. And finally, I have solved the problem. Subscribe if you like the video. Thank you so much.